Hey there, it's Dori with Next Stage Drumming. Today we're going to talk about finding the right combination. Now, in drumming as in life, sometimes when something's not working out, it doesn't mean to give up and throw in the towel. It just means that you need to tweak something a little bit to make it work a bit better. Today I'm going to tell you a story about a young man that I was teaching drum lessons to. He came to me, but then I realized that his special needs were making drum lessons a little bit challenging for him because he not only was having difficulty remembering the techniques from week to week, because his physical and cognitive issues were causing memory issues. He also was having trouble with the songs themselves. I thought, dude, let's try something different. So I took his half an hour lesson and I split it in half. And what I did was worked with him on the djembe and did drum therapy techniques, some warm-up exercises. That helped him, get in the zone and also helped with brain integration and opened up neural pathways. Then I brought him over to the drum kit because we had to get his right side was very, very weak. I had to make sure he kept using that and just started building on his skills. So what happened was, drummers, and you all know this technique, how to remind him it's like walking. You've got two pedals, left, right, left foot. Okay, so he got that motion going. And then, basic single stroke roll kind of thing. And then adding on some extra beats, lifting the hi-hat so he can create, both double time and then eighth note groove sort of thing. But I combined it together. Now, a lot of you drummers might say piece of cake. Drum teachers are saying, oh, anybody can do that. Well, of course, that's not the point. The point is, for this young man, that was very challenging. And he was doing it without even thinking about it after a while. And this was pretty amazing considering his challenges. So when he was able to consistently go from that to some of the songs he wanted to play and having no trouble with them, that was pretty mind-blowing. So his mom made sure she took some video and we tracked his progress, but that was the right combination for him. Again, I customize all of my sessions to make sure that whatever the student needs, it's a good fit. So yeah, the drum therapy, drum lesson combo was the way to go. I haven't done it with very many students because not many need that, but for him, it was a great way to get him motivated, stick with the drumming, but also show some confidence and success as he went along. So keep on drumming, my friends. Don't give up. If you need anything, just contact me at Dori@nextstagedrumming.com and let's chat to see how drum therapy could work for you or your organization. Keep on rocking, my friends.